Congratulations on your new Oak City Customs table. I know you're super excited to put this together. Let me show you how easy that is. All you're gonna need to install this table are the tools that we've included for you and a few friends. After removing the staples from the box, you're simply gonna lift up each end. Once all the staples and the ends have been removed, you're simply gonna lift the top to reveal your new custom table. And now for this next step, you're gonna grab a friend. To free up some space, you're gonna recycle this cardboard. You and your friend are gonna attach the base right here in the box. So for these next steps, we do wanna warn you to be careful. This table is very heavy. If for any reason you're not comfortable, grab another friend. You and your friend are gonna stand the base upright. Now, you're gonna place the base over the holes. You'll know you've done this correctly because of the color-coded stickers. Included in your box, you'll find your hardware and an Allen key. First, you're gonna place the washer on your screw, keeping the flattest end down. After that, you're gonna apply these in each one of the slotted holes, getting them as snug as you can by hand. After all your bolts have been tightened by hand, you're gonna securely fasten them with the included Allen key. After you and your buddy have checked and ensured that all of your bolts have been securely fastened with your Allen key, the next step is gonna be to flip your table over. Since this table is so large, I decided to bring a few more friends in. Your final step is going to be to place and enjoy your heirloom table. A very special thank you goes out to these guys. I've got Seth and Zach with Ernest Packaging Solutions, and they designed this custom box. We sincerely hope you enjoy your new heirloom product from Oak City Customs. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for your support.